Nadine Wilkins here, and let me ask you a question. Are you at a point in your business where you're looking to reach more of your ideal clients online? If so, you definitely want to stick around and listen to this entire video. Today, I'm going to be sharing how to create video content. So before we go into the how, let's talk about the why. Why is it important to create video content? Number one, it establishes you as an authority in your industry and also as a go-to expert. And number two, it also gives your ideal clients an idea, a sample of what it would be like to work with you, but then also whether or not you're the person that can help them solve the problem that they have. So now that we have the why out of the way, let's talk about how can you set yourself up to get your first video done today. Whether you are reaching your ideal clients online organically or you're paying for advertising, it's so important for you to position yourself to create content, but not make it super complicated. Like literally all you need to get started today is a cell phone. You don't need the perfect camera or the perfect lighting and perfect conditions. All you have to do is pick up your cell phone and record. Listen, people are looking for a person that, number one, that they can relate to, a person that they feel can solve their problem, and a person who is authentically themselves. So let's get into what does video content look like. See, when you create video content, you can create it either to educate people, to entertain, or to empower. Whatever you choose to do, those are like the 3 E's that you can kind of start with. But let's talk about the format of the video. So you want to open a video with something that's going to grab the reader's attention. Maybe you start with a question. Maybe you start with a statistic. Whatever it is, you want to do something. Listen, you and I both know what it's like to just scroll through social media. So you want people, when they get to your video, within the first 3 seconds to stop. So you want to have the opening, grab the reader's attention, talk about what it is you're going to share in the video and why they should stick around to hear it. Next, you want to actually just jump right into it and share, whether you're sharing tips, tricks, strategies, lessons learned. I typically like to give at least 3 things that someone can take back and implement right away. So whatever that looks like to you, and this is how you establish yourself as a go-to expert, because you're teaching people how to do something. You're helping people to solve a problem that they may have. And the last part of your video, what you want to do is have a strong call to action. And what that sounds like is, what do you want people to do after they're done watching your video? So maybe you have a landing page and you want people to go to the landing page to get more information. Maybe you want people to comment about what it is that you shared and give you some feedback. Maybe you want people to share your video so that you get your message out there. So those are the 3 elements of, putting a video together where you can share your content, establish yourself as a go-to expert, but then also help people, serve people. And it's okay at the end to have a strong call to action because you started the video with sharing something that's going to make a difference for your ideal clients. So with that being said, if you like the content in this video and you want to learn more about how you can pivot your business from, let's say, online from offline to online, or even just to reach more people online, you definitely want to go to my website, my call to action, right? Go to workwithnadine.com. There you'll find my new case study video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care and God bless.